Hello friends, welcome to Design Tech Academy. Today we are here to start a new series of plastic part design. This is the first session, so here we will do some basic CAD only. For the technical session or a technical knowledge, you can access my blog designtechacademy.com. The link is mentioned in a below description box. Today's topic which we are going to cover, the first one is tooling direction, second draft angle, third is uniform part thickness, which is most important part of plastic part design, then the removing sharp corners in a plastic, which is also a important point in a plastic, then the parting line and draft analyze. So the draft analyze will be the a different part of video also, but I will upload it in a future. So here we will discuss these things in a short time. For creating I am using CATIA V5. So start a part. I am creating a simple center rectangular which having the dimension 150 into 150. I am taking height 50 mm. I have to apply the draft angle for creating the angular clearance for at the time of moving current cavities from the part. So before it I am applying the fillets. Apply draft. By the simple selection of one face, I will get the whole faces selection. That's why I apply the fillet here. Check the draft direction. I required this one, so and the draft angle will be 1 degree. Now I get the draft on it. Apply the fillet on bottom side also. Now I will apply a shell operation because I require a uniform thickness for the part. Plastic part have the range of the normal range of 2 to 5 mm, so I am just using 2 mm. Now this is the part which having the draft angle also and the uniform thickness. Now for the removing corners, before I have to check the parting line and the tooling direction also. So for the tooling direction, you know this part will be in this direction, can be removed from the mold parts. So I am just creating tooling direction here. For more details regarding these points, you can access my website or a blog where you will get all the information, technical information at there. Okay, now I have to apply the draft analyze. So for the draft analyze, you need to in a visual style having the material selection, or you can use the custom settings by which you require the material selection. I'm taking the draft analyze command, drop it at here, press here, then again set it. Now you can check the draft, apply the less than 1 mm because we applied on it 1 degree. Select the part. Here you will get the two type of color at here, the green and the blue. Green is showing the positive draft. That's mean the if we have the mold part here, then it will cover by this one, and if we have the bottom side like core or cavity, that can cover the bottom side. That's why we have the green and blue color, and no one having the red color because there is no such undercuts available in this part. So where the meeting of two colors, that's mean the green and blue, this is the point where the mold part will meet. That's mean is this is the parting line we have. So for the parting line, we can use surface to extract it and select it with the tangency, then change the color. Now without the parting line, which we have the sharp corners, at there we have to apply the some fillet values. So just apply the corner at there, to an apart design, then apply the fillet. The fillet we can apply the 1/4 of the nominal thickness of the part, but I'm taking the just 0.5 degree, the 0.5 mm value. So this is the part which we have with a proper tooling direction and the draft also. For the all the technical information, just access my website and a blog, Design Tech Academy, where you will get all the information and more videos and blogs are there, and on a YouTube also. Please subscribe it and be connected with me. Thank you.